Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Agnès Dodignon, and I am the lead organizer of the working group dedicated to OGM in oncohematology named the FROG. The work that Hippolyte presented today was done by Versailles Hospital and in the context of the FROG. So now I will present you our organization. Until now, the FROG is composed of 89 biologists and engineers from 29 laboratories of hematologic called cytogenetic. Most of them are in France metropolitan, and also 2 are in Canada, 2 in Switzerland, and 2 in Belgium. Our group is structured as follows: 7 subgroups, each managed by 2 biologists and a lot of participants. There is a constant communication between the subgroup of the FROG members and the GFCH office. All the information and the work are available on our website, hosted by the ACLF and accessible to all members of the GFCH. I will present briefly each group of work. The first one is a group dedicated to method validation, whose objectives are to define the standard scope in French accreditation to be used in each laboratories and propose a risk management solution for each lab. The second group focused on myeloid pathology and acute leukemia, whose objective is to discuss all the technical aspects, to produce and update bed files and present and discuss some specific cases. The third group is dedicated to the lymphoid pathology and myeloma in the same manner. Discussion of the techniques because there is some specific specificity linked to the sample. So to extraction of DNA from biopsy, fresh or not, and from CD138 sorted cell. In the same manner, there is a production of bed, a specific bed, and collaborative works. The subgroup number 4 focused on quality controls. We succeed and completed the first EEQ control in January 2026. And for now, we are conducting an EEQ each year. We also organize the inter-laboratory quality control, covering the entire process from the receipt of the sample to the delivery of the result. The subgroup number 5 focus on financial aspects. The purpose is to establish a funding plan to equip all the 45 French laboratories and to be financed the new technology. All the new technology has to be approved by the HAS, la Haute Autorité de Santé, in the French Health Authority linked to Health Ministry. We are still currently looking into this. The subgroup number 6 focus on the chromoagenesis to establish the OGM description of these events by OGM. This group work in collaboration with the same group at the European level and also display collaborative works within our country. The last one is also the youngest, is group number 7, focusing on the data hub, whose purpose is to develop a database, national database for OGM. For now, it's just an elaboration at the elaborative state. The purpose is to collect recurrent novel variant by pathology, to document them, and also to exclude all variant constitutional. We are working on several approaches. To conclude, I want to present you our collaborative works that have been published since 3 years. 12 publication, original paper, and 4 case reports And an additional paper focusing on non-Hodgkin lymphoma is actually under review. And for the end, I want to specify that our organization is based on a strong group cohesion with very frequent interaction. We are expecting a new annual meeting in Paris in November 2026. And to end, we want a special acknowledgement to Dana Jaber for a steadfast, kind and efficient support since the founding of the FROG. Thank you very much.